Today I will be doing my very first unboxing video on YouTube, which will be the last unboxing video I will ever do on YouTube because you probably know this is a variety channel and my life is not all about unboxing. So let's get on with it and open this up. I have one of these that's called a touch knife that I keep in my purse, and it is so handy. And I'll see if you can see here for opening boxes and for opening just about anything that's taped shut, which is like most things these days, it seems. So let's start with this end. Go to the other end. Another one here. Are you excited? I'm excited. I didn't know that Ikea had lampshades that you had to put together yourself. But there it is. Oops. Wow. Oh my gosh. I hope it comes with instructions. This is called the Skotorp. The Skotorp. The reason I've been wanting to buy a lampshade is because if you've been watching my videos, you know that I am trying to become as minimalistic as possible. And for some reason, I got rid of all but one of my lampshades. There's this table lamp in the bedroom, this floor lamp in the hallway, and then there's this one. I put it here to show you guys. This is the one I think I'll probably keep without a lampshade because for some reason I think it looks cool that way. Was it a trend that people stopped using lampshades? I don't know, but I've seen a lot of lamps with no lampshades. And I also gave away a bunch of lamps, but I think lamps look better with lampshades. So I went out and I bought this little lampshade for the bedroom lamp. And now this lampshade is going to be for the floor lamp in the hallway. And when you go to Ikea, I didn't know this, but you can pick out your lampshade and lamp base so that, you know, you can have different combinations. And this is the one I picked. They had it in white, and this is the gray. Okay, this part where you have to click the round metal piece into the plastic piece is really easy if you have strong thumbs, but you have to really press hard. One side went quite readily, but oh, okay, now my thumbs hurt. So, oop, this just fell apart. I thought this would be the easy part, guys. Maybe you should just buy a lampshade already put together, because here we go again. Easier that time. It goes in easier the second time. I don't know how many times I'll have to do this before I finally stop it from springing out. They only have pictures, they have no words. It seems like the lampshade is too small. There's also some other metal things in here that slide up and down, which I guess I forgot to latch. There's like a little latch on here, which makes them not able to jump apart. Now, if this doesn't make you not want to buy an Ikea lamp that you have to put together, I don't know what will. You just have to loosen it up a little bit. thumbs are really sore now. And every time I get it under the rim on this side, and then it jumps out of the rim on this side. I think this is why they want you to pay to have it put together. And in some cases it's well worth it, but not for a $10 lampshade. Okay. Look, I'm gonna take a break and I'll let you know if I ever got this thing put together. Okay. Here, show your face. Show your face. Okay. Hey, show your face. Rocky. This is hard work. It's not worth it. Not worth it. Buy your lampshade already made into a lampshade. Not in pieces. I thought this would be a cinch. I thought, oh my God. OMG, guys. It is put together. Just like that. I think I know what the secret was. I think the secret is that when you're putting the shade onto the round metal things, you put these things in first on each side, and then you go all around and tuck it in. So, all right, so let's go put it on the lamp and see how it looks. You ready, Rocky? Let's go have a look.